Good morning, everybody. So, today, welcome to English UTKARSH Class 9, Worksheet number 11. Here, we have to know describing objects. If an object is there, how we can describe all this? That's we can say here. The fill in the blanks we have to do. This is a dash. It is made of dash. It is dash. If the shape will say, it is dash color of the bottle in color. It is used for dash कौन पे व्यवहार करा जाए. It have many or one dash. I use a dash every day or never. So out of all we have to describe one object, and that object here is water bottle, right? So we can write here, this is a dash, this is a bottle. It is made up of dash. It is a plastic bottle, so we can write it is made up of plastic. Its shape is cuboid, cube-like. So we can say it is cuboid in shape. It is cuboid. If the color of the bottle if you see, consider, then the color we can write here, it is green in color. It is used for dash. It is used for keeping water. I have many or one dash bottles or bottle. I have many bottles. If you say one bottle. I use a dash every day or never. I use a bottle every day. Okay. This is all about your worksheet number 11. So we have describing objects, right? That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. See you again.